Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CBR300R. This single-cylinder, lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 6,000 miles. Got that really cool red, white, and blue paint scheme. Great condition, price to sell just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, get this high fuel economy, single cylinder 300. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.